Module 2, in that third question, the joint probability distribution of a distinct random variable x and y are as follows: x, y, 1, 2, minus 3, 2, 4, 0.1, 0.2, 0.2, for 2, 0.3, 0.1, 0. Then determining that marginal distribution of x and y, so that x and y are dependent, and b, determine the value of k so that the function f of xy is equals to k mod x minus y for x is equals to minus 202, y is equals to minus 23, represent joint probability distribution of the random variables x and y. Also determine covariance of the x comma y. Third question is, three boys XYZ are throwing a ball to each other. X always throws to ball Y and Y always throws to Z. Z is just as likely to throw Y or X. Write TPM of Z, and first person to throw the ball, Z is the. Find the probability that X has the ball after the fourth throw. Now first one, consider the table x bar y minus 3, 2, 4, 1, 2, 0.1, 0.3, 0.2, 0.1, 0.2, 0.1. First one, marginal distribution of x and y. Y minus 3, 2, 4. F of y is equals to sum 0.1 plus 0.3, 0.4, 0.2 plus 0.1, 0.3, 0.2 plus 0.1, 0.3. This is marginal distribution of y. Next is marginal distribution of x. X is to 1, 2, f of x had 0.1, 0.2, 0.2, 0.5, 0.3, 0.1, 0.1 is 0.5. So 0.5, 0.5. Find x and y are dependent. We show that j I j is not equals to f of x I comma y I for all I comma j. X bar y is equals to minus 3, 2, 4, sum 1, 2, sum 0.1, 0.2, 0.2, 0.3, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.2, 0.2 means 0.5, 0.3, 0.1, 0.1 means 0.5, 0.1 plus 0.3 means 0.4, 0.2 plus 0.1 means 0.3, 0.2 plus 0.1 means 0.3. Now J11 is not equals to f of x1 into g of y1. J of 1 means 0.1 is not equals to 0.4 into 0.5. So therefore x and y are dependent. Next, B1. Determine the value of k so that the function f of x comma y is equals to k into mod x comma y for x, z is equals to minus 2 0 to y is at x, y is equals to minus 2 comma 3 represent joint probability distribution of the random variables x and y. Also determine covariance of the x comma y. B. Given distribution function is f of x comma y. F of x comma y is equals to k into x minus y is the function. For x is equals to minus 2 0 to y is equals to minus 2 0. And write the table x bar y minus 2 3 minus 2 0. Minus 2 substitutes in this equation, we get 0. Minus 2 3 substitutes 5k. 0 minus 2 we get 2k. 0 3 substitute 3k. 2 minus 2 4k. 2 3k. Here mod is there, therefore always positive we get. Find the value of k. Summation j. Summation j ij is equals to 1 implies 0 plus 5k plus 2k plus 3k plus 4k plus k is equals to 1. This becomes 15k is equals to 1k is equals to 1 by 15. Then table becomes minus 2 3 sum minus 2 0 2 sum zero 5k means 1 by 3 2 by 15 1 by 5 4 by 15 1 by 15. Here sum 1 by 3. Here sum 5 2s are 10 15 2 just 6 6 plus 1 7 7 by 15. Two k 3k 3 by 15 means 1 by 3 by 15. 2 plus 3 5 5 by 15 means 1 by 3. 5 by 15 means 1 by 3. Here 4 plus 2 6 6 by 15 means 2 by 5. 3 by 5 1 plus 1 plus 2 3 3 6 5k 5 by 15 5 by 15 5 3 8 9 9 by 15 9 by 15 means 3 by 5. Here goes down and add equals to 1. E of x is equals to mx is equals to mu x summation x f of xi is equals to minus 2 into 1 by 3 plus 0 into 1 by 3 plus 2 into 1 by 3 means minus 2 1 by 3 0 1 by 3 2 into 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 cancel 0. E of y is equals to mu y is equals to summation y f of yi is equals to minus 2 into 2 by 5 3 into 3 by 5. Minus 4 by 9 by 5. That is 5 by 5 is equals to 1. Now E of xy is equals to mu xy is equals to summation ij x I y j. Now jij minus 2 into minus 2 into 0 minus 2 into 3 into 1 by 3 minus 2 into 0 into minus 2 into 0 into 3 3 by 15 2 into minus 2 4 by 15 2 into 3 into 1 by 15 and add all these things. Okay, minus 2 into minus 2 into 0 plus minus 2 into 3 into 1 by 3 plus 0 into minus 2 into 2 by 15 0 into 3 into 3 by 15 is 1 by 5 plus 2 into minus 2 into 4 by 15 plus 2 into 3 into 1 by 15. We get minus 0.53. Variance of x comma y is equals to E of xy minus mx my equals minus 0.53 minus 1 into 0 is equals to minus 0.53. This is B. Next, 3 boys XYZ are throwing a ball to each other. X always throws a ball to Y means I write here only matrix 0 0 1 means X always throws to Y alone. Sorry, 0 1 0. Y always throws to ball Z. X Y Z ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. X Y Z ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 0 0 1. Next, Z always throws to ball Y or X of probability 0. This is the PPM. Okay. I write here once. TPM X Y Z X Y Z 0 1 0 0 0 1 by 2 1 by 2 0. X is only Y is Z, and Z is X and Y both are. So the initial probability of the vector P of Z is equals to 0, 0, 1. Then after we get 1 to after 4th rows. So first we find P square, then P square into P square is equals to P for 4. Therefore, P square is equals to, this is in the P square we get 0, 0, 1, 0, 0.5, 0, 0.5, 0, 0, 0.5 into 0.5. In calculator we get it, P power 4 means P square into P square. We obtain P power 4 is equals to 0, 0.5, 0.5, 0.25, 0.25, 0.5, 0.25, 0.5, 0.25. Then P of Z fourth power means P of 0 into P power n is equals to 0, 0, 1, P power n, P power 4 means 0, 0.5, 0.5, 0.25, 0.25, 0.5, 0.25, 0.5 into 0.25. Multiply this, we get 0, 0, 0.25, 0, 0, 0.5, 0, 0, 0.25. We want in X, so after rows, 4th rows, the probability of ball with X is 0.2. I shows in the calculator multiplication. Mod 6 1 1 0 equals 1 equals 0 equals 0 equals 0 equals 1, 0.5 equals 0.5 equals 0. This is A matrix. Then shift 4 3 into shift 4 3 into shift 4 3 into shift 4 3 means this is direct answer for P4. We get P square into P square also same answer. Okay, thank you. Fourth one, given the following the joint distribution of the random variable xy, table xy -2, -1, 4, 5, 1, 2, the given values, determine the marginal probability distribution of x and y. Also compute acceptations of x and y and xy, covariance and correlation of x and y. The joint next B, the joint probability distribution of the random variable x and y are as follows. This is the table, and this problem also determine marginal distribution and acceptations for xy and xy, covariance and correlates of xy. See question. The student study habits are as follows. If he studies on one night, he is 60% sure not to study on next night. On the other hand, if he does not study on the night, he is 80% sure to study next night. Write the transition probabilities if for his chain of study. In the long run, how often does he study? Suppose he studies on Monday night, what is the probability that he does not study on Friday night? Fourth question answer. Table, given table consider. -2, -1, 4, 5, 1, 2, 0.1, 0.2, 0, 0.3, 0.2, 0.1, 0.1, 0. For marginal distribution of x, distribution of x is 1, 2, p of x means 0.1 plus 0.2 plus 0.3 means 0.6, 0.2 plus 0.1 plus 0.1 means 0.4. This is for x. Next to y, -2, -1, 4, 5. This can be taken as g of 0.1 plus 0.2 is 0.3, 0.2 plus 0.1, 0.3, 0 plus 0.1, 0.1, 0.3 plus 0, 0.3. This is marginal distribution of x and y. Then x bar y table becomes -2, 1, 4, 5, 1, 2, 0.1, 0.2, 0, 0.3, 0.2, 0.1, 0.1, 0. Here taken as sum of these rows and sum of these columns. 0.6 and 0.4. Here 0.3, 0.3, 0.1 and 0.3. Next, this is marginal distribution. Then find acceptations of x, y and xy. E of x is equals to mu x is equals to summation x f of xi is equals to summation of x means this one 0.6 into f of xi means this one 1 plus 0.4 into 2. The answer will be 1.4. Then E of y is equals to mu y is equals to summation y f of yi. Sorry, g of function will be taken as g. Here -2 into 0.3 plus -1 into 0.3 plus 4 into 0.1 plus 5 into 0.3. This simplification we get 1. E of xy is equals to mu xy is equals to summation ij xi j of ij. This is 1 minus 2 0.1, 1 minus 1 0.2, 1 4 0 1 5 0.3 2 minus 2 0.2 2 minus 1 0.1 2 into 4 into 0.1 plus 2 into 5 into 0 1 into minus 2 into 0.1 plus 1 into minus 1 into 0.2 plus 1 into 4 into 0 plus 1 into 5 into 0.3 plus 2 into minus 2 into 0.2 plus 2 into plus 1 into 0.3 plus 2 into 4 into 0.1 plus 2 into 5 into 0.3. This simplification we get 0.9. This is the acceptations of xy. Covariance of x comma y equals E of x comma y minus mu x mu y is equals to, we know that in the previous page, 0.9 minus 1.4 into 1. This can be simplified. We get the answer minus 0.5. This is covariance of x comma y. Then correlation. Now find correlation. Correlation of x comma y is equals to covariance of x comma y divided by sigma x and sigma y. E of x square is equals to summation I square into f of xi is equals to 1 square into 0.6 plus 2 square into 0.4 is taken from the table. This simplify, we get 2.2. E of I square is equals to summation yi square g of yi is equals to minus 2 square 0.3 plus minus 1 whole square 0.3 plus 4 square 0.1 plus 5 square 0.3. This simplify, we get 10.6. Next, sigma square of x is equals to E of x square minus mu x square. Sigma x means 2.2. 2.2 square minus mu x square means 1.4 whole square. 0.4 square is equals to, this simplify, we get 0.24. Then sigma square of y is equals to ey square minus mu y square. Ey square means 10.6 minus mu y square means 1 and 1 square is equals to, simplify, we get 9.6. Then sigma x is equals to square root of 0.24 is equals to 0.48. Then sigma y is equal to square root of 9.6. This is 3.098. Then correlation of x comma y equals minus 0.5. And this substitutes into this formula. Covariance of x comma y and sigma x sigma y. Find here 0.48 into 3.098. This can be simplified and we get the answer 0.336. Next problem, table x comma y minus 4 2 7 1 5 1 by 8 1 by 4 1 by 8 1 by 4 1 by 8 1 by 8. Now find marginal of x 1 5 p of x 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. This is 1 by 2. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 is also 1 by 2. Then marginal of y. Y g of x minus 4 to 7. 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4. That means 3 by 8. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8, 3 by 8. 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8, 1 by 4. Next, find mu x. Means ex is equals to mu x summation x f of xi equals 1 into 1 by 2 plus 5 into 1 by 2. Mu y is equals to summation y g of yi is equals to minus 4 into 3 by 8 plus 2 into 3 by 8 plus 7 into by 4. This simplify we get 3. This simplify we get 1. E of xy is equals to mu xy is equals to 1 into minus 4 into 1 by 8 plus 1 into 2 into 1 by 4, 1 into 2 into 1 by 4 plus 1 into 7 into 1 by 8 plus 5 into minus 4 into 1 by 4 plus 5 into 2 into 1 by 8 plus 5 into 7 into 1 by 8. This simplify we get 1.5. Covariance of x comma y is equals to E of xy minus mu x into mu y. 1.5 3 into 1 is equals to minus 1.5. Next, correlation of x comma y is equals to covariance of x comma y divided by sigma x sigma y. E of x square is equals to summation xi square into f of x equals 1 square into 1 by 2 plus 5 square into 1 by 2. This simplify we get 13. E of y square is equals to summation yi square g of yi equals minus 4 whole square 3 by 8 plus 2 square 3 by 8 plus 7 square 1 by 4. This simplify we get 19.75. Next, sigma square of x equals E of x square minus mu square. Means 13 minus 3 square is equals to 4. Sigma x equals square root of 4 is equals to 2. Next, sigma square of y. E of y square minus mu y square. E of y square means 19.75 minus mu y square. What is the mu y square? 1 square. This can be simplified. We get 18.75. Sigma y is equals to square root of 18.75 is equals to 4.330. Then apply to this formula. covariance of x comma y is minus 1.5, sigma x is 2, sigma y is 4.330. This simplify we get minus 0.1732. This is the solution. Next problem. Study x not study y, study x not study y. If the first person one night study of 60%, 0.6 not study, and that means 0.4 study. If y not study in 80%, in not study 0.2% for next night. So this equation 0.4 plus 0.8 y is equals to x, 0.6x plus 0.2 y is equals to y. We have x plus y is equals to 1, x is equals to 1 minus y. Substitute in this equation to 1. 0.8y is equals to x minus 0.4y. X common, 1 minus 0.4. 1 minus x means 1 minus y. 1 minus 0.4 means 0.6. Minus 0.6y. 0.6 taken as this positive 0.6. These two had 1.4 divided by 1.4, y is equals to 0.4. 0.4 is substitute in the equation to 0.6x plus 0.2 into 0.4 equals 0.4. 0.6 of x is equals to 0.4 minus 0.08. 0.32 divided by 0.6. X is equals 0.533. Thank you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.